Hello, welcome to EduValue Academy, where education is evaluated. Today I will share my views regarding trigonometry of secondary level. I just discussed the basic and fundamentals of trigonometry. Trigonometry, trigonometry. It is the measurement of three angles of a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, it's a very important triangle, VIT, as I say. Here we have to know right angle triangle well to know trigonometry. These are the things we must know. One angle is 90 degree. It has got its side's name, base, perpendicular, hypotenuse. Sum of acute angles is of 90 degree and Pythagoras theorem is valid here. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. That means if we know any of these three, any of either perpendicular or base, if we know perpendicular and base well, so definitely we will find out hypotenuse. With the help of this theorem, Pythagoras theorem, it is valid. And apart from this key, we have to know the angle which you are measuring. The side opposite to that angle will be always perpendicular. That means base and perpendicular, these two will vary time to time. Perpendicular and base, these two varies depending on the angle which we are considering. If we consider this angle, so this will be perpendicular, this is the opposite of this angle, and this will be the base, and obviously the largest side, that is opposite to 90 degree, is always hypotenuse. This will remain constant, only perpendicular and base will vary. Here we have only 6 variables of trigonometry: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Reciprocal or inverse of sin theta is your cosec theta. Inverse or reciprocal of cos theta is your sec theta. And reciprocal of tan theta or tan theta or reciprocal or inverse of tan theta is your cot theta. So here we have one thing, we can easily learn this one. Pandit Badri Prasad हर हर बोले सो कैसे टेपा. So means sin, कैसे means cos, tepa means tan. Sin P upon H, the ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse. Cos base upon hypotenuse, B upon H, and tan perpendicular upon base. Inverse of sin theta is your cosec theta, that is H upon P. Sec theta H upon B, cot theta B upon P. Here we have this one. Sin theta P upon H, cosec theta inverse of this one H upon P, cos theta B upon H, sec theta H upon B, tan theta P upon B, cot theta B upon P. Among these 6 variables, if I consider this here, this is a triangle ABC. If I say sin if we are measuring angle C, so sine C will be C opposite to this one is your perpendicular AB and hypotenuse AC. Sin theta is your, here it is, we have Pandit Badri Prasad, हर हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले, और सो कैसे टेपा. सो मतलब साइन P upon H. P here is your according to this triangle. If you are measuring taking the angle C, so this is sin C. This is your AB upon AC. Similarly, if I say cos C, so cos C is your base upon hypotenuse. Base here is BC. BC, hypotenuse AC. This is we have the concept. That means ki if you are taking measuring this angle, so definitely this will be the perpendicular. Like if I say this is PQR, Q 90 degree and P and R are acute angles. If I take the measure of sin P, then this will be QR upon PR. QR upon PR. Why? Why QR? Because opposite to P angle is your QR. This is perfect here. In this triangle. And PR is hypotenuse. Accordingly, if I say it is your cos P, so this will be PQ upon PR. PQ upon PR. This will be there. This is the general concept. Ki we have only 6 variables. Out of these 6 variables, these 2 are basic. One. That means these 4 will be converted into sine and cos. Cosec theta, obviously 1 upon sine theta, because this is the cosec theta is inverse of sine theta, and sine theta is inverse of cosec theta. Here it is. If I say sine theta into cosec theta, so this will be P cut, H cut. So this is your 1. So we have now identities here. So sin theta P upon H, cosec theta H upon P, sin theta into cosec theta P upon H into H upon P, 1. So similarly, we have cos theta into sec theta 1, tan theta into cot theta 1. This 1 degree formula identity. 1 degree. Now, these 3 are here. I told you ki sine and cos, these are the basic variables. We can convert all these 4 into sine or cos or both. Now cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Similarly, tan theta is already here sin theta upon cos theta, because sin is P upon H divided by P upon H. P upon H into H upon B, cut P upon B, and P upon B is nothing but tan theta. So tan theta is also sin theta upon cos theta, cot theta, cos theta upon sin theta. So this is the 1 degree formulas, identities. We have 3, 1 numerical values in trigonometry. The product of two, because one is inverse of other, so one is reciprocal to other. So sin theta cosec theta 1, cos theta sec theta 1, tan theta cos theta 1. And tan theta sin theta upon cos theta, cot theta cos theta upon sin theta. This is 1 degree identities. Now we will discuss about 2 degrees identities. 2 degree identities means ki 2 degree identities here 2 degree. Here Pythagoras is valid. A square is equal to p square plus b square. So if I divide equation by h square, so this will give me, this is 1, or 1 is equal to p square upon h square plus b square upon h square. P upon h is your sin theta, so this is your sin square theta, plus b upon h cos theta, so it is cos square theta. So sin theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Now if I divide by b square, so this will out, this will be h upon b. H upon b is your sec theta, so this is your sec square theta. P upon b, tan square theta, plus this is 1. Here we have sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Again, we have a square is equal to p square plus b square. Now we will divide by p square. This will cancel out 1. Now this will be h upon p. H upon p is your cosec square theta. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus b upon p cot theta, cot square theta. So this will give me cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So here also we have 3, 1, numerical 3, 1. That will be total we have 6, 1 value in trigonometry. 1 degree sin theta cosec theta 1, cos theta sec theta 1, cot theta tan theta 1. Plus sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. And sec square theta minus tan square theta 1, cosec square theta minus cot square theta 1. So we have 6 identities. Now, these are the concepts for solving identities, trigonometrical identities. Like if I say tan theta plus cot theta, this. Now we have 1 degree formulas and 2 degree formulas. 1 degree, number 1 sin theta cosec theta 1. This can be written also other 2 ways. Sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Number 2, cos theta sec theta is equal to 1. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Number 3, sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. These are the two ways we can write this one also. Number 3, tan theta cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta 1 upon cot theta 1 upon tan theta. Number 4, tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta is equal to tan theta into cos theta. Cos theta is equal to sin theta upon tan theta. Similarly, 5 cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. This also can be written in this way. Cos theta is equal to cot theta into sin theta, and here sin theta is equal to cos theta upon cot theta. Now is it clear? So these are the 5 1-degree identities. Now I will talk about 2-degree identities again. This is your sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Number 2, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Number 3, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. That means if it is in square, so we can convert sin square into 1 minus cos square theta. That means this can be written also this way. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. This way we can write these 2 other formulas also. Now I will tell you trigonometry, why it is easy, because these angles, measurement of trigonometry, are nothing but the ratio between the 2 sides of a right angle triangle, and their Pythagoras theorem is valid. So if we now try to, if I say ki sin theta is equal to 3 upon 5, so we can find the values of other 5 variables. We can find cos theta, sec theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta, all 5 can be easily found. How? Now we know ki if this is all about right angle triangle, this is theta, so this is your perpendicular, obviously 3. Let's say ki this is in ratio, so let's say this 3x, common ratio is x, so 3x, and this is your 5x. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now 5x whole square is equal to 3x whole square plus b square. This is 25x square is equal to 9x square plus b square. Now 25x square minus 9x square is equal to b square. So ultimately this is 16x square is equal to b square. So 4x is equal to b. So here it is your 4x. If it is 4x, so this is base. So obviously then we can write cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, b upon h. This is 4x upon 5x. Again this is your 4 upon 5. Obviously sec theta inverse of cos theta 5 upon 4. Sin theta this one, so cosec theta I can easily write 5 upon 3. Tan theta, this is perpendicular upon base 3 upon 4, and cot theta 4 upon 3. This is the advantage of trigonometry. If we know one variable, we can easily find out the other variables easily with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Because we can find out the value of any sides of right angle triangle if other two sides are given. Because we can find out the value of any sides of right angle triangle if other two sides are given. I have discussed all the basic identities of trigonometry today, and in my next video I will share angular relation of trigonometry, and also I will solve some problem. If you like my discussion, so please share it, subscribe it, and comment. I'll be very much thankful to you all.